Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're doing my Boxycharm premium unboxing. This one retails for $35 and it is every month. So, opening this guy up here, and you get like 5 to 6, 5 to 8, somewhere around there, I don't remember. Full-size products, makeup, skincare, hair care, all the fun stuff. Don't fall. Okay, and the theme this month is BTS, behind the scenes. So, they get a little card here. Of course, we're going to save that for last. First thing right on top is this guy. This is actually what I chose. I don't remember what shade I got, though. 4 Rose is the shade I got. These are by Fenty Beauty. It's the Snap Shadows. Mine is number 4. I was torn between this one and like the purpley tone one, but I wound up going with this one, I guess. Probably because I have a lot of purpley toned eyeshadows already. But here is the little baby palette. It's so cute. I need to like find a place to put things, but it's just a little tiny palette. And then on the inside, it has eyeshadows. Here we go. There's just 6 little shades. You do get a mirror, which is awesome. But here they are. Really cute. Let's go ahead and swatch. This is a little more purpley than I remember. Maybe I did go with the purple one. Okay, initial thoughts, not impressed. But, well, you know, shadows you have to try on the eyes to get like a good, yes, these are good, no, they're not good kind of thing. So, swatches, not great, but we will try them on the eyes. This retails for $25. Next, what is this? Tulip Dew Mist, fragrance-free hydrating mist by Bloom Effects. It is cruelty-free. I've never heard of this brand before, but it looks like a little hairspray can, and it is just a setting spray, I assume. Multitasking face mist that delivers a brightening boost of antioxidants, plant extracts, and vitamin B3, C, D, and E to revitalize, refresh, and energize. It's designed to work as a humectant, I don't know that word, to prevent moisture loss. Plus, it's formulated with environmentally conscious BOV technology, a first of its kind for clean beauty, perfect on bare skin, over makeup, or throughout the day as a awakening skin pick-me-up. Am I supposed to shake? I'm assuming. It doesn't say to shake it, but like, I'm gonna shake it. Let's go. Ooh! I really hope I didn't just ruin all my makeup because I do have to go to work. But it smells kind of good. I don't see any of the annoying little dots, at least from here. Yeah, sure. It's a winner. Goodness, my allergies. I said this in my last video, or maybe a future video. I think I'm filming these backwards, but my allergies are kicking my butt so bad. Like, my voice is going away. I did just have a viral infection that I just got over, hence why I've been gone forever. Part of the reason anyway, but yeah, so I just got over that, and my allergies are still kicking my butt. But here is this Complexion Beauty Sonic Tea Bar Facial Massager. I'm not gonna use this. It's not. This is $58 for this guy. It's cool in theory, and I'm sure that they work wonders, but I literally have like 4 of these. I actually have this exact one by Complexion already that I got from Boxycharm, so that's kind of annoying, but I don't use them ever. So it's cool, it's expensive, I don't need it. But yeah, I literally have that exact one. Like, hold on. Okay, so this is in the box, just so nobody thinks I'm like cheating, but here is the exact one that I already got from Boxycharm that I never used, so don't need 2. Okay, moving on. This is from Beauty Bakery. Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette. Have I used this before? This retails for $38. I feel like I got this in my Beauty Bakery mystery box I did like a year or 2 ago. Somewhere around there. Maybe longer. I don't even remember at this point. And I'm pretty sure I've already tried this. And if I remember correctly, I don't love it. Let's see. Yeah, I've definitely used this. It was too dark. I loved this shade, but the other shades were just too dark for me. Maybe I could get away with the pink one, but like, am I gonna wear it? No. But yeah. So I'm not gonna swatch these either, which is depressing, but they're too dark for me. There's no point in me wasting makeup. So we'll put that in my I decluttered this pile. That needs to go away. Next thing, Tarte. This is the Glotion Skin Perfector. I feel like I picked this too, now that I'm looking at this. Get a lit from within look with this Instant Complexion Perfector. 4-in-1 Complexion Perfector works to prime and extend makeup wear, hide imperfections, glow, and brighten. $32. Ugh, my allergies suck. Oh, it fell out the other way, that's fine. Okay. That's just a primer. I don't really know that I need to swatch it for you, so I guess I'm probably not going to. But excited for this. Focus. There we go. I'm very excited for this, though. Not gonna lie. Okay, last guy in here is by Verb. It's the Ghost Oil Smoothing Moringa Blend and Weightless Hair Oil. How do I use you? $18. Revitalize strands from root to ends, powered by Moringa oil, hydrate and fight frizz. Need those in my life. Not telling me if I use you on wet or dry hair though. 2 to 3 drops on damp hair for extra heat styling protection, or to dry hair for smoothing and shine. I could use some smoothing and shine. Let's try it. Yeah, don't love the smell, but that's fine. Let's see. Did that give me smoothing and shine? I feel like my hair looks super flat today already, though. Sure. That is something I'll definitely get some use out of, though. I don't know that it worked like super incredibly amazing right there, but it's something I need to play with and try more. Okay, let's do a quick recap. Complexion culture, massager, don't want. The Verb Ghost Oil I'm excited about, I'll use it. The primer from Tarte I am very excited about. Face mist is always fun to have. Like, I like face mist. I have a ton of them over here. Sorry, almost said a bad word, and we don't do that on this channel. The Fenty, I mean, I picked it, so like I'm excited about it, but upon like initial swatching, I'm like, not as excited anymore, but hopefully it's just a bad swatch. The highlighter palette is cool. It's just not gonna work out for me because my skin tone is so light, but if you have a medium to deep skin tone, this is a really good highlight palette, so I'm not mad that we got it. Okay, is that it? I believe that's everything. Yeah. Okay, don't forget to like this video before you go and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.